Okay, this is a quick run through the house because we are not done. And it's like 1 o'clock, but we're pretty much done with the house. We just have the outside to work on, like the garden shack and my dad's shop, which is completely filled with shit. So yeah, but this is crazy. My bedroom. There's also a really good echo in here. I don't know if you can tell. Whew. Yeesh. It's crazy. I tell you. Whoever built this knew about acoustics. I'll tell you that. Okay. Oh Jesus, I have like 1 minute left to record, else my phone is full. I'll shoot this dark. Okay. Blah blah blah, master bedroom, blah 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 blah, master bath, blah 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 blah. Right. Lights off. Up, up, ba da ba da ba da. Up, ba da ba da ba da. Ba-da-bum, ba-dum-bum. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba, kitchen. Not quite done, still have the mop. Just have that little thing, and that's it. Why is the door open? Let the mosquitoes in. Okay, goodbye.